Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I will give you best website that you can use to edit your PDF online for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. And what you want to do here is to go ahead and visit this particular website, pdf2go.com. Hit enter key on your keyboard, and in a few seconds, it's going to take you to this web page right here. Then you can click on all tools right here. So you see all tools: edit PDF, convert, create, organize, optimize, secure, PDF AI tool. The more you scroll down, the more you see different PDF tools right here. You can JPEG to PDF, DJVU to PDF, match PDF, rotate PDF, change page size, etc. Unlock PDF. The more you scroll down, the more you see right here. Then another two new tools here: PDF to speech, and then share PDF, which is also compare PDF is also new to right here, and this PDF cleaner is also right here. Then web page to PDF, which is HTML, is also right here. So then go on and come to the top right here, which is all the AI tool right here. So under the AI tool, you can use AI to work on the PDF, and AI summarize, AI chat with PDF, AI file extractor with PDF, AI translate your PDF, AI spread checker, and edit to PDF sign, which is the new tool right here. You can explore this different tab right here, which represent each of the AI tool right here. So let's say, for instance, you want to edit your PDF. Go ahead and click on edit tool right here, just like so. So you can also come to the top right here, click on all category, generative AI, AI tool, or edit tool. Let's say for edit tool, you get to edit tool. Let's say for generative AI, you get generative AI tool, you get AI tool. It's that simple. So we can go ahead and come back to the home page right here, and then you start edit or create a new PDF with very easy step by step right here on this particular website. For more useful tutorial website like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.